animal flying in the background there. Just waiting for the lightning seeds to come on. When I know they've only got 5 tracks, and I know what they are, so I'll edit in some highlights. But I know what song they're going to end with, let's be honest. I feel I'm going to be hit by a giant football any second.
Hi everyone, you alright? Lightning Seeds, it's a delight to be here playing for you.
Fucking love you!
lies, let me swim around your eyes. Find a place I'll never leave. Shut my mouth, I believe love is the truth, and I realize it's not a stream of pretty lies. Just keeps me up and wastes our time. Smiling in the dark, with shooting stars on your heart. Dreams all bouncing in your head, pure and simple every time. No crying in your sleep, never learn to weep. Sound the dream, just show me Cupid, pure and simple every time. Viewing starry eyes, dream to starry skies. Stars in my head, pure and simple every time. Crashing these oceans new, and the sight of you, I sing a softer tune. After all these years of hurt, you can never stop us dreaming. It's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming. Football's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming. Football's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming home. Thank you. It's coming. Football's coming home. England coming. Football's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming. Football's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming home.
So the Lightning Seeds have been on. Bloody hell, that's loud. They were brilliant as ever. And now it's about 10 minutes until kickoff. Come on, England.
In the wall, it's Kieran Trippier. Harry Maguire who came crashing through the crowd. Trippier delivers towards Harry Maguire. What a threat. Ashley Young. Knocked on its way by Subasic.
Again, Harry's onside there. He tries to take it, tries to bend it.
To the free kick. To tumbling, Walker got his head to it. Hit by Rakitic, charged down by Ali. Here's Modric once more. Luka Modric's shot. Great work by Henderson. Ali forward to Sterling. It's the last action. I think given the occasion and given the opposition, this is probably their best performance.
Right, if you can hear me, that's half time. England have been pretty good, but it's too tight. We need a second goal, really, obviously. You will obviously know the final score by this point. I don't now, so I don't even know if this video will ever see the light of day, because I'm definitely not going to edit it if we lose. Right, time to get a drink. Someone has stolen my water out of my pocket. I had one bottle of water to last the whole thing. And yeah, it's been robbed. Welcome to London, everyone.
And several more. Others surely would have been here but for injury. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. Trippier. Forced away by Perisic. Walker. Trippier. It's a great ball! By Trippier. And as far as Rakitic. Sterling. Down he goes. Vida had to stab it in. Sterling's appeal is half-hearted in truth. There again. Logic challenge by Lingard. Just a man on the choker. Good block by England. They've got a man down. Walker is down. Croatia play on. Rebic crosses.
Good lad, Walker! Yes!
Really good cross. Good run. Good finish. And England have got to pull themselves together. Trippier takes. It's towards Kane.
That's the end of extra time. No, it isn't. That's the start of extra time. And I don't fancy our chances.
Taken by Trippier. In towards Maguire. The free kick is found a way up to Lingard. Hit by Dyer. Charged up. Trippier. In towards Stones.
Oh my God!
Brozovic. Here's Kramaric. And he is back there. Rose is back on his feet. Modric. Rashford's going to try and run. 12 more minutes, no more. For England to find a reply to that. Marcus Rashford. They can't get it over on. Croatia can bring it away. Not this time. Not this year. 2018 is Croatia's year.
Well, let's start with some honesty, shall we? Croatia were the better team. We dominated the first half and didn't take our chances, and they then spent the next hour, maybe more, owning us, like completely and utterly owning us. And yeah, that was what we deserved. But I hope you can see from the video that everyone was still applauding. We're still very proud of the team. They overachieved as a semi-final, but doesn't make this any easier.
This is the time for them to spend their time.